Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where and when you're following us. This is your French learning partner, and today we're gonna have our video number 22. Jour 22, 22e jour, l'emploi de il y avait, il y aura, il y a. Day 22, 22nd day, the use of there was or there were, there will be, there is or there are. Partie 1. Vocabulaire. Part 1. Vocabulary. 22. 22. 22e. 22nd. Beaucoup. A lot. Beaucoup de monde. Many people. A lot of people. La fête. The party. Rouge. Red. Magnifique. Magnificent. Beautiful. Magnifique with an S at the end is the plural of magnifique without S at the end. Un concert. A concert. Le soleil. The sun. Beaucoup de soleil. A lot of sun. L'été. The summer. Cet été. This summer. Le cinéma. The movie theater. Here I would like to give a nuance. Le cinéma in French is basically can refer to the industry of the movie, but it can also refer to the movie theater, the whole people are going to watch a movie. Intéressant, interesting. Intéressant, interesting. Intéressant with an S at the end is the plural of intéressant without an S at the end. Bruit, noise. Le bruit, the noise. Beaucoup de bruit, a lot of noise. La rue, the street. La vue, the view. Une belle vue, a beautiful view. La fenêtre, the window. Partie 2. Exemple de phrase avec il y avait, il y aura, il y a. Part 2. Example sentences with there was or there were, there will be, there is or there are. 1. Il y avait. There was or there were in the past tense. Il y avait un chien dans le jardin. There was a dog in the garden. Il n'y avait pas de chien dans le jardin. There was no dog in the garden. Il y avait beaucoup de monde à la fête. There were many people at the party. Il n'y avait pas beaucoup de monde à la fête. There weren't many people at the party. Il y avait une voiture rouge devant la maison. There was a red car in front of the house. Il n'y avait pas de voiture rouge devant la maison. There was no red car in front of the house. Il y avait des fleurs magnifiques dans le parc. There were beautiful flowers in the park. Il n'y avait pas de fleurs magnifiques dans le parc. There weren't beautiful flowers in the park. 2. Il y aura. There will be. Future tense. Il y aura un concert demain soir. There will be a concert tomorrow evening. Il n'y aura pas de concert demain soir. There won't be a concert tomorrow evening. Il y aura beaucoup de soleil cet été. There will be a lot of sun this summer. Il n'y aura pas beaucoup de soleil cet été. There won't be a lot of sun this summer. Il y aura des jeux pour les enfants à la fête. There will be games for the kids at the party. Il n'y aura pas de jeux pour les enfants à la fête. There won't be games for the kids at the party. Il y aura un nouveau film au cinéma la semaine prochaine. There will be a new movie at the movie theater next week. Il n'y aura pas de nouveau film au cinéma la semaine prochaine. There won't be a new movie at the movie theater next week. 3. Il y a. There is or there are in the present tense. Il y a un chat sur le canapé. There is a cat on the couch. Il n'y a pas de chat sur le canapé. There is no cat on the couch. Il y a des livres intéressants sur la table. There are interesting books on the table. Il n'y a pas de livres intéressants sur la table. There aren't any interesting books on the table. Il y a beaucoup de bruit dans la rue. There is a lot of noise in the street. Il n'y a pas beaucoup de bruit dans la rue. There isn't a lot of noise in the street. Il y a une belle vue depuis la fenêtre. There is a beautiful view from the window. Il n'y a pas de belle vue depuis la fenêtre. There isn't a beautiful view from the window. À suivre. To be continued. There will be a complement to this video, and thank you again for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like the video, to comment, and to share with friends and families. See you in the next video.